Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is mathematics is the queen of science. Because in science there is lot of derivation and there is lot of numerical problem which is based on the mathematics. So you can say that mathematics is the queen of science. Now today's date is 22 of June 2021. This is exercise 5.1 from NCERT and it is a complex number and quadratic equation. Now today we will study about the modules and the conjugate of a complex number. What is the modules and the conjugate of a complex number? So firstly, suppose you have a complex number z is equal to a plus ib. Suppose you have a complex number z is equal to a plus ib, then its modules is represented by mod of z and it is equal to under root a square plus b square. This is equal to under root. If you have a given complex number a plus ib, then modules of complex number z is represented by under root a square plus b square, means constant coefficient of real number whole square plus coefficient of imaginary number whole of square. Suppose you have given a value of z is equal to 3 minus 4i, then mod of z can be represented as under root 3 square plus minus 4 whole of square. Means mod of z is equal to, this is 9 plus 16 means root 25 and it is equal to 5. So student, if you need to find out the modules of a complex number, then it is represented by under root of the real number whole square plus coefficient of the imaginary number whole of square. This is the value of modules of z. Now we will study about the conjugate of z. If you have given z is equal to ib, then conjugate is represented by z bar. Conjugate is represented by z bar and it is equal to a plus ib whole bar, means it is a minus ib. Only you have to change this sign. If it is in the plus, then it became in the minus. If it is in the minus, then it became plus. Means if you have asked to find out the conjugate of minus 3 minus 4i, then mod of z is equal to minus 3 plus 4i. Minus 3 plus 4i. This is the value of z bar. Mod of z is equal to, if you need to find out this mod of z is equal to, this is minus 3 whole of square plus minus 4 whole of square, means mod of z is equal to 9 plus 16 and it is equal to 5. This is the modules and the conjugate of a complex number. This is the module and the conjugate of a complex number. There is a relation between the modules and inverse of a complex number. You know that multiplicative of inverse of a complex number. Suppose z is equal to a plus ib, then z inverse can be written as 1 upon a plus ib. You know that this is z inverse can be written as 1 upon a plus ib. Firstly, you need to multiply this. This is 1 plus aib, a minus ib, a minus ib. This is z. Inverse is equal to a minus ib and it became a square minus, it became a square minus I square b square. This z inverse is equal to a minus ib upon a square plus b square. If you find out the value of mod z, then if you need to find out the value of mod z, then it is also equal to under root a square plus b square. Now putting the value of and squaring this one, you will get mod of z square is equal to a square plus b square. Now putting this value here, you will find out z inverse is equal to a minus I by, and here z bar is equal to a minus I by ib, means the conjugate of number z bar is equal to a minus ib. So it is z bar upon mod of z whole of square. Here it is z inverse z minus 1 is equal to a minus I by ib. This is z bar upon mod of z whole of square. Now this can be also written as 1 upon z whole of square, or z into z bar is equal to mod of z whole of square. Mod of z whole of square. Suppose student, if you have to ask to express minus 5 by into 1 upon 8i in the form of a complex number, so firstly you have to multiply these number. You will get 5 I into I gives you I square upon 8. This is minus 5 by 8, I square gives you minus 1. This is plus 5 by 8, and you need to convert it in the form of a complex number. Then it is equal to 5 by 8 plus 0y, because it has no imaginary number. That's how you convert this number in the form of a complex number. This is the representation of the complex number when it is given like that one. There is a question based on this one. And if you express number 5 plus 2i upon 1 minus root 2i in the form of a complex number, then how can we represent it in the form of a complex number? Firstly, student, see here, if any digit is written, the denominator of any digit is written in the form of a complex number, so firstly we need to convert it in the form of a real number. How can we convert it in the form of a real number? So firstly 5 plus 2i upon 1 minus root 2i. You see the denominator is 1 minus root 2i. Now we need to multiply and divide it by the conjugate of this number, means this one is 1 plus root 2i upon 1 plus root 2i. This is 5 ones are 5 plus 5 root 2i plus 2i, and this is plus 2 root 2i square. Firstly multiply this number to this number, and the denominator is in the form of a minus b. A plus b can be written as a square means 1 square minus root 2 I whole of square. This is 5, and it is 2 root 2 I square gives you minus 1. So it is, and taking out I common here, so it is converted as 5 root 2 plus 2, and this is minus 2 root 2, because I square is equal to 1, and this became 1. I square gives you minus 1, so it is minus minus plus, and root 2 whole square gives you 2. So it is equal to 5 minus 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 2 into I divided by 3. So it is also equal to 5 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus I into R, 5 root 2 plus 2 upon 3 into I. This is the representation of the number in the form of a complex number. Thank you, students.